Sure ain't calm today. Pretty gnarly out here. No, that was heavy weight. That was a sheep. And when it's heavy like that, you just gotta hook it out of it. It just fell off. If you pick it up and it just slowly feels like it's pulling back very slowly, you set the hook as hard as you can. So what I do is I lift slowly, and if I feel them, I give them a couple seconds, and then I set that hook so hard. That a fish? Oh, sheep! Nice!
Oh, it is a sheephead?
It's not gonna break the hook. Where's the net? Here, I'll hold your rod. Don't lose the fish. You got it? Here, I'll net it. Nice sheepshead.
This thing is big. Yeah.
We found the first sheepshead. There you go.
Look at that sucker. Oh yeah. Ooh, that's a big one.
Yeah, that's it. That's the trick right there. Oh, I got one. Look at that. See it? There we go. Oh, that was a monster.
That was a big one.
It just stripped the line off my reel so fast. Paul, look, that's a sheepshead. See how dead weight that is? That's a sheep. Small. Sheep? Yeah, it's small.
Broke your line?
It just fell off. It was a sheepshead though. There you go. You got him?
Yeah. Is he a keeper?
Where are the sheepshead? There we go.
That's a nice one.
Not very big, but it's about the same size as the one that just fell off for me. So hopefully the bite's picking up now. I like these small hooks, it gets in their mouth better. These little sheepshead. Got a sheepshead on right now. Got him. That's a good one. Big sheep.
What on? Oh, yeah. That is a nice fat one there. Yeah, that is.
That's a 19 or 20 incher. They're definitely biting pretty good. Good one there. That's 4 in a row on this side of the boat.
I'll move it over here and then move it over there.
Go in that back corner. There's a pile of. The second it gets down there, I get bites. This is the biggest one of the day so far.
Oh, yeah. That thing's huge.
You got one on right now. Sit that. You got him. He just fell off?
Yeah.
Just picked it up. Well, look at it. Look at it. You know that's a sheepshead. Look how slow that bite is. See how it's dead weight, Paul? That's a sheep.
Yep. Oh, another nice one.
That's a little one. That's a dink. That's like the one you caught.
It's alright, still a nice fish.
Yeah.
Well, come over here. Keep that over here.
That's a little fish. Is it a small sheep? It's a snapper.
Oh, yeah.
A little small, but he might be a keeper. He's over 12. He's got it. You see it? Look, he's already got it. He's already got it. I just dropped. He took it. He just took my shrimp, I think. Yep, my shrimp just fell off. I didn't even set the hook that time. Oh no, he's on it right now. Look, that's a sheep. That's a sheep. Got him. That's a big one too. What do you gotta say now, Paul? That's 4 drops in a row. He's got the fish though. That's the trick. You got to fall in the water and then you catch one.
Yeah.
He almost went in with it. That's a big one. That's how they're supposed to run.
Yeah.
Stood. Oh, I just saw, it was a 20-incher.
Right there, too. Oh, that was a huge one.
I saw it. He's on there. And he's gone. Like, he just wasn't even there.
It's like he was like grabbing it.
He's grabbing the shrimp right behind the hook. That's why the smaller the shrimp, the better. He's got it. He's on there. He's on there. There you go.
There you go, Greg. Get him.
Let's keep him on the hook.
Oh, nice one.
Nice one.
There you go. Good job.
Sit down. Need me to reel this one out? Oh, I got a fish on too. Dude, this is a monster. I got a big one. Here, get your fish out of that net. Here, you want to reel him in? There we go. Putting fish in the cooler now.
Yeah.
Alright. Paul's about to get hook one right now. Try to like consistently pull up and then go straight up. Pulling him up fast. Little guy. Better than a grunt though.
Too little.
Nah, I think he hits 12. As long as they hit 12 inches. The hook barely got in there too. It just fell out like nothing.
What, the hook just fell out?
Yeah. He's 13 inches.
Their mouths are so damn hard.
Yeah.
Crazy.
It's like rocks. Doesn't seem to matter. I'm getting him on this side of the boat now too. Oh, look, I got one now. Got him. That's a big one. A huge one. Oh, and he just fell off. Oh. What is going on? So I think these short shank hooks are just getting, they're hitting right on the rocky part of their mouth. There's definitely a pile of them over here, guys. Look, there's another one. I think your sheepshead moved.
Finally getting a bite.
There we go.
Oh, he got off.
That's a sheep.
He got off like right there.
Ridiculous. Stud.
Get him up.
Here, net him. Here, hold my rod, I'll net him. Paul's finally got one. Watch it be a grouper. It is. Stupid little thing.
Jakester.
Little dink. Alright, I think that's a sign to leave.
Good one, man.
I just had a nice bite too. You got a sheep? Baby sheep. That thing is tiny. What the heck is that?
He felt good. Oh, good bag.
Big sheep. Big sheep.
Oh.
Big sheep. Don't be a grouper. Snapper. That's a beautiful snapper right there.
Yep. Oh, Mr. Whaley.
Mango?
Yeah, mango.
Yeah, it's got a good head shot. That's a big mango too. Don't be a grouper.
He's okay. It's mango.
Nice mango. Nice. That's what we're here for.
Yeah.
These are nice mangoes, dude. We're about to load the cooler.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Super red too.
Yeah. I know, they're really red.
We're gonna load the freaking cooler. Get these. I'm gonna get the chum out there now.
This is snapper.
These can't be grunts. Oh, he just. You got a big sheep. If it's taking drag like that, you got a big mango. How's the net? Dude, what'd you hook?
Greg, you got a nice one.
Be a monster sheep's head. Be a monster sheep's head. Keep that consistent pressures. Big sheep.
Oh yeah.
Fat mama sheep.
That is a pig. That is a pig.
That's what a 20-inch sheepshead looks like. They put up a hell of a fight, don't they?
Oh yeah. When they start pulling that drag, I'm gonna snap a picture of it right there. Get the phone to work.
Look at that thing. That's probably what fell off in the last
look,
drop.
I got
Big fish starting to bite. He's piling up the mangroves. Nice fish.
hold that one next to this one, folks.
He could eat that snapper. The heavier weight. Oh geez, that was in. That's a big mang.
No, that's a sheeper.
It's not running drag.
That's a sheeper color.
It's a gag.
Oh, little gag.
That's a lot of head shake like a mango.
Yeah, it's not real big.
Mangoes don't have to be that big. Yeah. That's a big one. That's nice.
Yeah.
Oh, what happened? Why are all the fish not biting back here anymore? And you just cast it out in the middle of nowhere and got him.
Yeah.
That's a freaking cooler. Jeez. Well, Paul's got the hot spot up there.
Yeah, just throw it right out there.
Another mango.
Yep.
Dude, you're filling the cooler. We're allowed 30 of them, so.
That's a lot.
I don't think we're anywhere near 30.
I would never keep all these out here. I like clean all of them.
There we go. Or a sheepshead. I think I have a sheep. Yep, big sheep.
Here, want me to net them? Here, I'll hold the rod. Got them?
This net is going in the water. I think your net floats. Get ready. He was there, wasn't he?
Yeah, there was something on there. All right, let's see if this bitch will eat my shovel right here. Now, he ate that thread fin. As soon as that thing goes down there, they eat it pretty quick. Because we were catching all those fish, he got fired up, didn't he?
Yeah, there's definitely a grouper down there now. I mean, it's 2 drops in a row. He took the threadfin instantly. It's just crazy when a grouper grabs it. It's such a battle. Like you're just waiting for it to commit. Eat it. There you go. Oh, buddy. Come on, Paul.
Yeah, I got that. Yeah, keepers.
That's at least a 22-incher though.
Yeah. Got you.
Put up a good fight.
Yeah. Justin Whaley. Got you, Whaley. You're fired.
I got it all the way to the boat. Look what he did to the jig head.
Oh my God. Hey, Greg, look. Yep. Bent the hook.
First drop with that hook too. That was a big one.
Hell yeah, it was.
What you got?
I think it's a mangrove. Sheepy.
Oh, little sheep. There's more for me to clean, thanks. I'm gonna start getting excited when y'all lose fish. There you go.
I got you, mother.
Don't lose them.
Oh, this has got to be a keeper.
Yeah, it's a good one, dude.
Oh yeah.
He's wrapped. He came up sideways.
Yeah. Man, that is a big one.
It came up sideways.
Yeah, he came up sideways. He was caught in a gill.
It was a fun fight though.
Here, Greg, you need to do this thing.
It's fun.
Yeah.
Well, another almost keeper gag we gotta let go. Smoking him.
Now he's smaller.
Come on, be a snapper.
Bring his ass right up.
That's some fun fishing right there. Can't tell. Is the camera blinking?
No. Ooh, this is a good one here. Yeah.
Paul knows how to fish now.
Greg, reel that.
Rotate. This is all Paul likes to do is grouper fish.
Yeah. Alright, you're on the bottom.
God.
Oh, you got a grouper.
Get him out of the rock.
Come on now, reel. 50 bucks.
He's winning.
50 bucks. 50 bucks. There you go. Get him. Get him. Oh. He got him up. Don't stop reeling.
Nice grouper, dude. Nice gag. Little guy. They fight hard for how small they are.
Oh yeah.
One while I was changing batteries. Beast grouper. January gag fishing. You guys gonna be here in July still? You a long time, Paul? It'll be a big mango.
Yeah, I think it's a mangrove. Oh, it's a sheep. Yeah, it could be. I don't think it's a grouper.
Like sheep right into the side of the boat. Another sheep.
Whoop ya.
That's fun.
That might be
It looks like a sheep.
Sheepy.
Yep.
Yep.
Where's the nut? It's right in front of you, Paul. This is a good sheep spot.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh yeah.
Big grouper. No more fish for the cooler, Paul.
Yeah, I'm gonna let this one go.
Trying to count our fish over here and Paul won't stop fishing. At least that one's a grouper, he can go back.
Put it back down, he's in the rock.
They just won't stop.
Going back.
That's a 14 incher.
Yeah.
Got 10 million fish to clean now.
Yep.
Look at him pissing. That's a cooler full. Good God. They better not be a keeper fish.
It's a little one.
It's another sheep.
Oh yeah, there ain't no mangroves here.
Can y'all stop? At least their grouper. He's already in the rock. Tighten the drag.
See if he goes out and plays again. Sheepy!
Dang it.
Sheepy!
He won't stop.
Sheepy! That's a nice one too.
He won't stop.
Yeah! Dude! This is a good grouper here. Good grouper here. Oh.
On the little rod. Another keeper. Jeez. That's a nice gag.
Oh yeah.
Gotta get one more. Finish the day with a keeper.
Yeah, he's gonna be close. I don't think he is though.
Little fun size. Another 20 incher.
Man, there's a ton of rocks here.
Yeah.
All up this way? Oh, big old rocks up here.